Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to schedule dark mode on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, so if you want your cell phone battery to be last longer and don't need to charge it twice a day, you can activate the automatic dark mode schedule so that at certain times when your cell phone is not in use, for example at night, your cell phone will go into dark mode to save battery. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, the first, now you can go to settings menu and then scroll down and go to display and brightness. After that, now you can go to dark mode option and then you can activate switch to dark mode. And now you can set the schedule. The first, you can set the sunset to sunrise, that your device will switch to dark mode at sunset and back when the sunrise. Or you can set the schedule by the time like this. And so yeah, here's the schedule of your dark mode. And thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.